Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we begin, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's start.
Hi! Welcome to Lesson 2. Today, we're going to focus on the modal verb can.
Pay attention to the following situations.
Can I help you with a dessert?
Yes, thank you.
In this case, can is used for offers.
You can't talk on the phone inside the bank.
In this case, can is used for prohibition.
What languages can you speak?
I can speak English and Spanish.
In this case, can is for ability.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can.
In this case, can is used for permission. To summarize, the modal verb can is used to express offers,
To express prohibition,
to express ability,
to express permission.
Remember, in conversations, intonation is very important. Now, practice using can with its different meanings.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Bye!